Hello all my viewers. Today I want to share with you how to we get the copyright free tune. So no skip this video. If you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel. So now we want to waste your time. So now start. At first we need a software. If you see here this software icon, you must use this software. Okay, you see here radio piano. You can use this software. If you want to this software, at first you go the play store. Okay, here you can download easily. After download this software, we access here. Okay, just wait some time because we need to waiting loading sounding. Okay, now this software has been open ready, and now we want to making here tune. So how to making system I show you now. See here now. Start. We can easily making same the music. Okay, any of item. Okay, now already you have an understand how to making this system. Okay, if you are like my video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.